Okay, so today I'm going to show you an easy way to harvest your pumpkin seeds or clean them out. After you take it out of your pumpkin, of course, like just cut them in half and dig your hand into it and grab whatever you could. Don't worry about the flat ones or the one that is not developed or anything, because it will float up top. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so now you would bring it to here, right? And this is a trick that I developed. Okay, you get a container smaller than this, and it fits halfway. You see that? Just halfway. A square and a circle. See, this is a circle. This is a square. This is just a strainer. You put it right here, and you turn on the water, cold water, and let it fill up. Let it fill the container up. Once the container filled up, look what happened. Put it in the center, and look what happened. It cleans it for you. You don't have to clean. And then, if you have a sprayer, like this one, have a sprayer, put it on a sprayer. And it's even better. See? This is how you clean your seeds. Okay? You can do this on pumpkin seeds. You can do this on squash, summer squash. I have done it on the summer squash. I have done it on zucchini seeds. I have done it on banana. Sorry, not banana. Butternut squash. Any seeds that is big enough to go through the strainer. I mean, not go through, just, you know, in the strainer. But you need a round one, okay? You can use the metal one too. It will work with the metal one too. As long as circle against a square. You see that? That's a square. And then you do it just like that. Run for like a minute, not even. And it's all set. And it wash it for you. And you can control the water if you want less. You want more. Whatever. But remember, okay, the trick is halfway. You see that? You can only do halfway because you need that thing to bounce around, like right here. See how it bounces around? Because water has to go flow through, and then it goes there. And look how it... I'll zoom really close before I go. Whoop. See how that works? Awesome, isn't it? Yes, I developed this by myself. I learned this trick by myself. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope this is useful to someone out there that's saving their seeds. And I will see you in the next video. Okay?